I used to have a cage bird named Woody. It was a Quaker parrot, and he flew away because we used to let him run around outside. So I got his cage out of storage and fixed it up for Milo. He's hanging here in the corner of the screen porch, getting a nice breeze. Milo is what I'm calling this baby mockingbird that I'm trying to save. He's doing really well. He's eating good, and you can see he's getting very agile. He's sitting on that swing. In this bigger cage, he'll be able to build up some strength. Hopefully, he'll be released. He's a cutie, isn't he?